Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2019 Nissan Sentra, and we're going to go over how you replace the lights, the individual lights in your vehicle. These are on the headlight. There is space where you can reach down here and you can do it, but it's hard to get the best view where you can see it. So the light has been, it's undone, and that way I can pull it out and give you a better view of what you're looking at and what you're trying to reach down and undo through the little hole and cubby here. So to start with, we have this. This is your side marker light, which is over here, and you would reach in over here, and it's right up there. You're going to turn that a quarter turn to the left or counterclockwise, and then you'll be able to pull out that housing. And now we have this light bulb that you would just pull out of there and replace this. This light bulb here for your side marker is it's a 12961 light, and that's the light that you would get to replace. And so then to replace, you just press it in. Doesn't matter which direction it goes in there. It just snaps into place, and then you get it lined up. You've got these tabs. There's larger and smaller ones, and so once you line them up in there, then you can turn it a quarter turn to the right or clockwise to lock it into place. And so that's how you replace your side marker light on your 2019 Nissan Sentra. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the